Hey guys, March 18th, 2023. Got the Polaris Diesel. Let's check her out. So I've been working on this thing for a little while now. I ended up putting a turbo on it, pretty much with all the cheapest parts I could find. I'll go over that on another video sometime here. But we get the scavenge pump, oil pump to suck our return feed because the turbo is very low compared to the line that it needs to return in. So we're gonna go ahead and try this thing out and see how it does, and then we'll see if if it was worth it or not. This is a 455cc single cylinder diesel. I still gotta redo my charge pipe, but that's what I got for now. So all right, let's hop on this thing, try her out. That's a oil scavenge pump right there. Throw her in low range and see how she does here. About 10 psi. Yeah, 10, then it dropped down to 8. Does feel like it's got a little more umph. Takes a minute for that boost to build though. I don't think we're gonna make it. We could try it. Oh, should have put some gloves on. It's warm, but it ain't that warm. Not quite. Come on, girl. Uh-oh. Just heard something pop apart. Well, I don't think we're gonna get up here now. We'll get back home and see what we did. Huh. Well, first run. Oh no. Not building any boost anymore, so one of my pipes must have come off. It's kind of rigged on there for now. looked around here. It was a good go, though. Yeah, no boost. I don't know why I always do this. Forget my gloves. But yeah, so in low range there, when I was building boost, I could definitely feel a difference in power. However, we got onto her a little bit there, and I heard something pop. I'm guessing one of my hoses probably came off. They're not correct. Oh boy, we're barely gonna make the hill. Come on, girl. Alright, made it up here. Let's go see what I did. Alright, shut this thing off. Oh yeah, that's what happened. It came off of this. I'm gonna have to put a flare on that. This is all rigged up for now, like I said, but so that is what caused our no boost, obviously. Well, it was a good try. We'll try again here in a little bit, and hopefully, I'd like to get that charged by. It's a mess, but I'd like to get something good on there that's not gonna pop off. I'm pretty sure we got leaks too, so we'll see. But yeah, well, until next time, thanks for watching, guys.